Okay. Okay. So there is a ready to use function in Python, which will help us understanding what this value is. Right now, you know this value, this is an integer, but there would be certain situations where you do not know what this value is. Okay, this might be coming from somewhere else. Okay, a user in inputting, but you don't know. like like in Gmail example, you are typing a username, okay, and Gmail is expecting, what it is expecting in that block is your username, and the username would be what, it cannot be 12345, right? It has to be a string, a words, group of words, like something at the rate your name, I mean at the rate gmail.com. But but in that dynamic application, I mean, no one is sitting in the backend who is checking like whether you have entered a string or not. So in that case, we can check whether what a user has entered when we do not know. Like in this case we know, but in case we do not know, like the Gmail example, the Gmail application doesn't know what you are trying to enter there unless you print a submit button. If you print, I mean, as soon as you print a submit button, it will know if you have typed an integer or a string. If it's an integer, it will discard it. I mean, it will say like it's an error, you have to type a string or a correct email to enter your account. So how will I check this what user has entered? I will use a ready to use function which is already available in Python, okay, which is called as type. So how can I use type? I will use type and the variable name, whichever I want to know, like, I mean, whether it's a string or it's an integer or it's a float. So just I have to do type. So right now, if you, in this section, if you understand, this block is executed, and then I'm executing this block. So this block is connected to this block, if you see.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.